Okay, how to edit accounting dates. Okay, this typically happens a lot for invoices, okay, especially voids. I have a video on how to search the GL for things, and that's what I did in this case. But I want to talk about how to edit the accounting date from something. So let's say here, I know I posted transactions to Starbucks, but I couldn't find it. So I might search for it here in the GL. And then if I find that it's coded or it has the wrong date, like for example, this one right here, I'm going to use a little pencil button, and you can see here that I can change the date. So if I was looking for this transaction to reconcile on a bank or credit card reconciliation, I'm going to make sure that it's within the statement period date, and I will change the account date. Oops, come on. So now you can see that it went from the 5/17 posting date to 5/1. I'm going to want to change the check number, so I'll just go ahead and do that here as well. And I would leave the Starbucks. Okay. Now, just so you know, if for some reason this was not a meal and entertainment, I mean, it would be because it's Starbucks. But let's say, for instance, I don't know, this wasn't Starbucks, and we coded it incorrectly. You can also change the coding. So I'll show you how to do that. You're going to use the pencil button again, and let's just say it was office supplies for whatever reason, and I have to click change account. Now you'll see that it posts, and I save and cancel. So now you can see it is now counted the Starbucks to office supplies. Okay, that's not correct, but that is how you change it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back. So it is meals and entertainment. You saw me, I changed it again, and it's corrected. Okay, please give us a thumbs up, like, post, subscribe, and check out our other videos. Thanks.